What is going on, everyone? We are back again, and today we are actually at my job. We're at Land & Sea Power Sports on East Main Street in Waterbury, and today I'm going to show you guys my little surprise. So 2 weeks ago, I went and bought myself a 2020 Kawasaki Z125. Brand new. I want to give a huge shout out to Land & Sea and also the Tizo family for helping me get that little Z, and yeah, so we're already putting some stuff on it. I want to give a huge shout out to TST Industries. They hooked it up. Oh, gave me some slaps, a couple little things, even saying hi to you guys. And we got a Fender eliminator kit, we got a integrated brake light, plate relocator, all the good stuff. So I'm going to start by popping the seat off and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so first I started by taking this big bulky front blinker out and just put a nice flush mount integrated one on there. It was just a matter of taking that screw off, this little shield comes off, and then you pop the other metal piece underneath out, and then the headlight pulls right out. Now that I got those bulky front blinkers off and got those nice ones on there, I'm going to come back here. I popped the seat off. I took two little darts out that were there and there. Slide this little black piece off. After that, you're going to take these Phillips head screws off, take these side panels out, and give you access to pull the rear light out to put the integrated blinker one in. So once I took those side panels off, I started taking the light out. There's a Phillips head screw there, and from there you have blinker wires that in the stock location run up this way and connect here. You have a license plate light that connects over here along with the brake light. Take those out, pop your old light out, pop your new light in, connect all the connectors up, good to go. So guys, last thing while I'm at work here anyways was I took off the rear fender and all the big bulky blinkers in the back. Like I was saying before, I did the integrated brake light system right here, and then I did a license plate relocator. So for that I had to take out the 4 screws for the old fender, drop that down. You have to unplug the connectors like I was saying before, and then for the TST Industries one, it's just 2 bolts that hold it in, a bolt to do a little block off for a little hole that's there, and then bang, there it is. Gotta blur that plate out though, that's for sure. Yeah, so here it is. Pipe coming soon. I got the Pro Taper bars for it right here that I'll be putting on. And yeah, sooner than later, hopefully I'll be getting that cage so we could wheelie it without worrying about scraping some stuff back here now. Alright guys, so I installed the lights and everything, and turning the bike on, I noticed that with the new lights that they don't blink or anything, they just stay solid. So to get them to blink, you either have to put load balancing resistors in, or you could put a flasher relay in. I'm going with the flasher relay route. So to start with that, we're starting to take the front headlight assembly off. There is a 5mm Allen screw right there, and a 5mm Allen screw right here. And then after that, you can pull it forward, lift it off of the 2 posts on the bottom, give yourself enough room to work in here. We're going to be accessing this wiring harness, which sat inside here. We're going to undo the electrical tape, which I already did, pull the sleeve back, and we're going to have to access this orange wire to install this flasher relay right here. So guys, I totally forgot that I didn't film the clip to finish up that flasher relay, so I'll give you a quick lowdown here. Last time I showed you, you were going to access the connector right in here, and if you could see there, that is actually, if we could focus, that red piece right there is actually the relay. So it comes with the relay, a connector, and there's also 1 wire that comes out of the connector in the center there. So what you're going to do is you're going to de-pin the orange wire out of the stock connector right here, and then after you de-pin the orange wire on both sides, you're going to plug the male side into the relay harness that it comes with, and then you're going to put the negative or the female side into the, if you're looking at the connector, the way it's going to plug in, it's going to be on the left side. Just look at the relay and you'll be able to figure out what side it's supposed to be on. After you do that, it's just a matter of connecting the relay and tying everything back up. Alright guys, so I got my dad in the car now, and we got Jess here. She's going to be riding with my dad as he drives, and I'm going to be driving my dad's little Mercury over here. He's having a little trouble.
Oh, I'm on the floor.
Yeah, you think that's slow? Drive that little Miata back there.
My car!
Give it a little prop.
Hold on, I can't find the buttons.
Ninja.
You're sitting on a mask.
If I can do it, you can do it.
That's too close. I gotta pull the seat. I want to pull the seat back.
Oh, down at the bottom. To the right?
Oh, I got it. Okay.
His clutch is high when you... You'll get the grab point.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. Because in the Miata, it's like real low, where his car is like real high.
Oh, no. Oh, fuck. All right.
You'll get it. If you find a gap, get next to Polly.
You didn't go any faster. I'm speeding. Oh no, we're going in the tunnel. Is it gonna be loud? Let it rip, brother! I like driving it. Clutch is funky. Come on, brothers. Let's go.
So what do you think?
I love the noise. The noise effect is great. Oh, and it drives awesome. It drives really smooth. I love the cornering. Right, I gotta slow down.
Can't get that in it. There's a noise I don't like from the suspension after changing it. I don't know what it is, if something's loose or what, but we have to find out, that's for sure. But it's not going to be tonight. Thank God we're going left. Right is a struggle. Here she is after that. A lot sleeker. Ended up taking the mirrors off because they were big and bulky. Got the flush mount front blinkers. Our integrated brake light. Plate relocator. Little blinky blinky. Blinky blinky, they flash. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh yeah, and the brake light as well. Let's see here. Can't really tell on camera, but it flashes a little bit faster than that. Today at work, I grabbed a couple things for it as well, because you know me, I gotta get it going. grab some Pro Taper bars. So last but not least, I'm gonna slap these Pro Taper bars on and give you guys a little time lapse of me taking the bars and everything off. Alright guys, so I got the bars on and everything. My only problem was that the Pro Taper bars don't have the hole like the stock bar does. So this little piece right there that little nipple right there in the center, that is gonna sit in that hole. Oops, break. That's gonna sit nice in the hole now. Sit flush against the bar. Once you tighten it down, be good to go. I might have to drill it a little bit deeper, but I think that should be alright actually. I also had to reposition the switch housing, get that out of the way. So I'm gonna throw this throttle tube and the front brake on, and after that, she'll be ready to go. Quick and easy. To take the bars off, it was just 4-10mm bolts here. Take this stuff off, it was just a 10. I used some air, got behind the grip, blew it off the stock bars. This was just Phillips head screws along with the light switch housing. And then for the front brake, it was 2 8mm bolts. Well guys, there it is. Z125 with the blinker delete, plate relocator, and Pro Taper bars. Well everyone, that's going to be it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you like the new toy, because I know I do. I'll have some more content coming for it. Going to be getting some more things, trying to make it go a little faster, maybe a couple things here and there. Feel free to drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe if you want, and keep on keeping on everyone. See you later. Almost forgot to give a huge shout out to TST Industries and Land & Sea Power Sports. Thank you guys both very much.